welcome back to my channel, and I have some new releases and they're shiny, so I'm not going to like dwell on it. Let's just get into it. So we're here, your highly requested silver foil headers. I'm not going to dwell on these because I mean they're exactly what they say they are. I have 11 different colors. I offer them individually or in a bundle, turquoise, if you're wondering why there's two greens. Yeah, turquoise. And then if you order the bundle, it's like you get one free because I give you essentially, you pay for 10, you get all 11. Again, we have this option as well. I do offer these in bundles. These are larger sheets where headers are half sheets and these are full sheets. So I did this. I have 4 colors and then I have the 4 colors going this way. So that is how I do the flags because I want you to get the maximum color. And then if there's one that has like a duplicate color, I think light blue has a duplicate color, I left it out of the row down here. These are so pretty. Like the silver is giving me like all the feels. I thought gold would absolutely be my favorite, but I don't know, the silver on this, like yeah, so this is a duplicate color here. So I left it out down here on the turquoise because that's like the prettiest turquoise color ever. But yeah, this is totally giving me all the feels. And what I love about it is that there's no white space around it. Like you literally just get color and foil. And so many goodies in this pack. So yeah, I have these in gold and now I have them in silver. Again, silver will be a limited time until I can get more silver rolls in. It's really expensive to ship individual rolls, so you kind of want to buy in bulk. However, I just bought a lot of gold, didn't even think about the silver. So that's my fault, but we're here. And then this is the new kit, and look how amazing it is. I usually don't toot my own horn like a lot, but the last 3 kits, I'm like, yes, I'm amazing. I mean, come on, look at that box. Ugh. Just like some of them, I have it like over a part of it, like I have the flowers, or I have the quote, or I have it over the crystals, or I don't have it in the crystals, I have it fading in. Have it over the moon, but don't have it over the flower, just on the moon. Like I did it like purposefully. I didn't just like say, oh, foil across the whole thing. Like there's like purpose to the placement of my foils. And then the functional sheet, which you mostly see, but for the foils, I feel like it needs to be shown like that. So in like the pictures, you'll see it like that. But here is the functional, the ombre boxes, which I absolutely love. The little moons in there, it's just give me life. Then we have headers and littles. Sneak peek of the bottom washi. The functional per usual. Bottom washi. So I love this bottom washi. So I kind of have it like fading out. So I have it like around the moons and it kind of just goes and then it kind of like fades out towards the end. I absolutely love this so much. Like, yes, 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 yes. Okay, enough of doing the roll. And then, so that's the full kit. And then I am offering mini kits now. If you've been with me for a little bit, I have been definitely doing a trial run on the minis, and you guys love you some mini kits. So they will probably be here for a while. So your functional page, the best page of all. Another functional page. And the bottom washi again. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So my thought process, again, because I can't just like say, hey, here's a kit, this is how I designed it. So I love mixing, ignore that smudge, mixing light and dark colors. So I bring in some, like the moons are a little bit darker. Let's put these on top because obviously. And like the functional things, so you'll have like lighter elements throughout. So you have like the darker up top if you do date covers, then you have this kind of scattered throughout, and then you have the dark on the bottom as well. But then you also have some of the darker features in here going throughout your kit. And then you have the deco, which also brings in some dark. So it's kind of like the balance of the dark and light. I kind of have been really feeling that lately. I know in, let's see, I think I still have it here. Yeah, I have one out. That the boho feathers, I kind of did the same thing. That I have like the dark, this was last week's release, like the darker flowers. I mean, they're not like dark. They're not like as dark as this, but then you have like the lighter parts of the kit kind of like throughout it. But then you kind of come in with some darker elements as well. So I've been really, really enjoying it. This is a little bit darker than that one. And I think this one ended up working out so cute because you guys know I highly overthink things like a lot. So, you know, we got here and we survived. So I am so excited for these. And the foil. So we have the mini kit, the full kit, 11 different options in foiled glitter flags in silver, and then I also have them in gold like usual, which were already released I think 2 weeks ago, and then now the silver headers, which again are also in gold, that were also released the same time I believe, or one was a week before. So we made it in 6 minutes. Bam. Not gonna waste your time today. So, all right, I hope you guys love these, and they are already listed, and I am going to offer a coupon code. You guys know, if you've been following my vlogs, that, you know, offering these deep discount sales, especially adding foil, makes things super expensive. I have a very high power printer, which takes a lot of ink, and I like to saturate my my images, so if it'll focus, and I'll still talk, but like I put a lot of ink down, I don't skimp on it, so naturally I want to give you guys the best product, and that's how I found works for me. That gives me the best product. So I am going to offer a discount, but it's going to be at a higher price. So it's going to be 15% off, $50 or more. So it encourages you to really shop my store, and that's why I'm giving you guys a lot of stuff in the releases. Or if you are like, oh, I really liked your last kit and this kit, I'm gonna wait till next week, and then if you really like all 3 kits, you can pick them up, or 2 kits, you can pick them up. So I really wanted to say thank you for people who are bulk ordering and give you a substantial discount, not just like 10%. And technically everything is still discounted. So I didn't get rid of the discounted kits. So the kits are still discounted from where I was last year. So that is still there. And then I'm adding an additional discount to the kits, essentially with the coupon code, or if you pick up some like side items. So I don't want you to think I got rid of that discount. Nope. The little discount is still there if you want 1 kit at a time. Just the more substantial discount will happen if you get more than just 1 or 2 items from my shop. So one more thing, I was doing glitter headers and you guys really liked them. However, I find pretty much the 11 different colors I have given you guys pretty much match the kits. So I give you guys a pretty good range to where you can get pretty close. Like, look how close that is. Like, that is super close. And if you had it in gold, it'd be even closer. And then you could pull in this brown here if you wanted, or like just the gold in general, or pull in some gray. Or you know what, you're like, I wanna bring in some of that color. You know, you got some turquoise. You got some darker green, although I probably wouldn't do darker green, although that may be pretty. Like, there are plenty of color options. You like, I wanna bring in this red. I have plenty of red choices. So I think for now, I'm just going to leave these foiled colors here because quite a few people picked up the bundle to get all of them. So that's where I am on that. If you really hate that and you really want ones that match the kit perfectly, because it would be this color, this lighter color versus these, but I mean, that's not that far away. I have a pink that's really close to that. That gray isn't too far. You could even go lighter. And then purple may be not quite as close. It's gonna be the last one, I guarantee it. No, there we go. That one's really close there. So, I mean, I have the colors there. It's just whether or not you want to buy like the colors versus not, but I know, I feel like pinks and purples and blues are very common. So I lied, that 6-minute video turned into 10. All right, I'm going to end it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.